Hi, I'm Catherine Bitterick, and I'm just going over my States of Matter choice board that I made. The first thing that they're required to do is view this video in the middle, and it just kind of tells them about the states of matter. And then after viewing that, they can do any of the activities, but they're required to pick two more so they can either go across or diagonal. And then, the first activity that I picked is this song about the states of matter. They can view that and sing along to it. And then, this one is like a states of matter game about the changing state of water. So this is the game right here. And then you just turn the ice into water and watch it as it goes through the different stages. And then you answer the questions and do the activity. And then this is the melting point game. So this is another activity just like the water one, but you're working with different materials. So you would like heat this up and then watch to see what happens when it cools. And then just like the other activity, you go through the questions and answer what happens. And then, so this is like a chart that I found, and it helps to, it helps them know the definition of solids, liquids, and gases, and they can write it down. I put some directions along here, and then, they can take this quiz, and that will help them to answer the questions on the quiz. And I think this quiz gives the teacher feedback after the students answers it, so that's helpful. And then, this is another quiz about, like, the categories of the states of matter, so they can answer that. And then this is a scavenger hunt, and it just, like, lets the student go around the classroom and find examples of the 3 states of matter, write them down, and then present them to the class. And then, this is another activity, and it's just like working and heating up materials, going through this to the 3 states of matter. So, yeah. So that's my choice board. And then, I like it because it relates to the ISTE standard of being creative communicators, because it gives the kids the freedom to choose as they take initiative and sort of personalize their own learning. And as a result, that gives multiple means of representation, action, and expression and engagement. So yeah, thanks for watching.